Here's a clear, step-by-step guide to apply for the BARC examination. I'll keep it practical and student-friendly. Let's start. BARC OSIS/DGS. For Scientist B. Training Programs. Best for MSc Physics, Chemistry, Engineering. Conducted once a year. Eligibility. For students of MSc in Physics, Applied Physics. Minimum 60% marks, 50% for SC, ST. Final year students can apply. Age limit. Usually less than or equal to 26 years, relaxation for reserved categories. Visit https://recruit.barc.gov.in. Click OSIS/DGFS application. Register using email ID, mobile number. Fill application form. Personal details. Educational qualification. Discipline, physics. Passport size photo. Signature. Pay application fee. $500, General, OBC, WS. No fee for SC, ST, PWBD, female. Submit and download application PDF. Last date to apply BARC examination is January 28th. So go and make a place in BARC examination and study well to get posted a scientific post. Please subscribe, share, like and comment. Thank you for watching.